it can oftentimes just be easier to renew what you've had in place with OEMs forever, but companies have been using TPM to cut OpEx for quite some time. Why or why not would you say that there's a need to maybe have both, right? It sounds like there's certainly benefits to both. So should I be using both?
Absolutely. And we call it a hybrid or optimized maintenance strategy. And the reason for it is that as equipment ages, the OEM starts setting the equipment through milestone dates, right? So the first one is typically end of sale, where they're no longer selling the product, basically saying that they're abandoning the platform. Another critical milestone date is end of software maintenance, where software is no longer going to be developed. And then, of course, the last one is last day of support. And so as equipment moves through these milestone dates, oftentimes the OEM increases the cost of support, anticipating more failures and to kind of force a refresh. So there's a tipping point within that range where the support costs are going up from the OEM, the services that they're delivering on it is going down. And so again, there's a tipping point where it makes sense to move those products off of support through the manufacturer and with an independent support model.